Saving $10,000 might seem impossible, but when broken into small steps, it becomes much easier. Today, I'll show you how to set a realistic goal, automate savings, cut unnecessary expenses, and increase income so you can hit your target faster than you think. Step 1. Break it down into smaller goals. Most people fail at saving money because they set vague goals like, I want to save $10,000, without a clear plan. Instead, breaking it into manageable amounts makes it more achievable. Saving $833 per month is often what people unknowingly spend on takeout, subscriptions, and impulse buys. That's only $27.40 per day, less than the cost of coffee and lunch. Even further, it's $1.40 per hour, which is just spare change. Once you see the numbers in smaller steps, saving $10,000 feels possible. It's not about extreme sacrifices, just small adjustments that add up. Step 2. Automate your savings. Most people wait until the end of the month to save, but by then, the money is already spent. The best strategy is to pay yourself first. Set aside savings before anything else. One of the easiest ways to do this is to set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a separate savings account. Even saving just $5 per day adds up to $1,825 per year. You can also use roundup apps like Acorns or Capital, which round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Treating savings like a mandatory bill ensures consistency. Once it's automatic, you won't even think about it, and your savings will grow without effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more daily financial tips and tricks. Step 3. Cut out invisible expenses. Many people waste money without realizing it. Identifying and cutting small, unnecessary expenses can free up thousands of dollars per year. Subscriptions. The average person spends $200 per month on subscriptions, often $133 more than expected. Canceling unused services can result in big savings. Food and drinks. The average person spends $6,600 per year on food, with 40% of that being takeout. Cooking at home just a few days a week can save over $200 per month. Impulse buys. A 48-hour rule, waiting 2 days before making non-essential purchases, helps curb unnecessary spending. If you can cut just $10 per day in unnecessary spending, that's $3,650 per year in savings without even trying. Step 4. Increase your income without overworking. While cutting expenses helps, increasing income speeds up the process significantly. You don't need to work 80-hour weeks. Just a few extra hours a day can make a huge difference. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to monetize skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing, earning $500 plus per month. Selling unused items. Many people have hundreds or thousands of dollars in old electronics, clothes, or furniture that can be sold on eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Investing. Wisely. High-yield savings accounts, index funds, or dividend stocks can grow your money passively over time. Even making just $5 extra per day results in $1,825 more per year, making your goal more achievable. Step 5. Pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save whatever is left, which usually means nothing is left. Instead, flipping this around and saving first ensures consistent financial growth. A major financial issue isn't income, it's spending habits. Lifestyle inflation keeps many people in the same financial position, no matter how much they earn. Nearly 50% of people making over $100,000 per year still live paycheck to paycheck because they spend everything they earn. One of the best ways to save is by focusing on daily savings habits. Setting aside just $27.40 per day adds up to $10,000 in a year. Here's how to do it. Housing. Renting out a spare room. Negotiating rent or reducing utility usage can save $10 per day. Transportation. Avoiding car payments and shopping for better insurance rates can save $5 per day. Taxes. Learning tax deductions and hiring a good accountant can save $3 per day. Food. Cutting back on takeout saves at least $3 per day. Debt repayment. Paying off credit card debt avoids $4 per day in wasted interest. Clothing. Buying fewer unnecessary clothes saves $2 per day. Making these simple changes allows you to save $10,000 per year without drastically changing your lifestyle. Step 6. Get a side hustle, the fastest way to save $10,000. If cutting expenses isn't enough, increasing your income is the quickest way to hit your goal. Working just 2 extra hours a day at $15 per hour adds up to $10,000 per year. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, TaskRabbit, or Fiverr can generate hundreds per month. Selling products online, driving for Uber, or reselling old items are simple ways to bring in extra cash. Asking for a raise at your current job can significantly increase your income with minimal extra work. More income leads to more savings and long-term financial growth. The more skills you develop, the more valuable you become in the job market, leading to better opportunities in the future. In conclusion, start now and stay consistent. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to follow for daily finance and budgeting tips and tricks. Do you think you can save $10,000 this year? Let us know down in the comments. The secret to saving $10,000 fast is simple. Start immediately and stay consistent. The sooner you take action, the faster you'll see results. Whether you cut spending, increase your income, or do both, your goal is completely achievable. Small financial decisions compound over time, and once you build good money habits, saving becomes second nature. The most important thing is to get started today. Set up automatic savings, cut unnecessary expenses, or find a way to earn a little extra. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Take action now, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow.